Westermans here again with another diesel welder, Shindaiwa 300 Eco. Actually just on load at the minute, using a Miller DC TIG on a 3-phase supply. It's actually on road tow or site tow. Auxiliaries 110 and 400. This miller's just on test, just to make sure the auxiliaries actually work as it should do. Machine itself, hours is 1132. Nice little compact machine. Obviously you can use the 3-phase for a lighting or connecting a MIG, or obviously a TIG welder power source like I've got connected there. More details available on Westermans.com on these and others. Diesel plant from Miller, Lincoln, both new and used. Like I say, more details available from Westermans.com. Back down to auto idle, with the welding plant turned off. Back onto auto there. Obviously machine function as it should do. Thank you for looking.